This is Germany, one of Europe's strongest countries, known for its economy, industry, science, and technology. But today, it is going through a challenging period. The economy is facing difficulties, while bureaucracy can slow down development. Despite this, Germany remains one of Europe's most influential industrial powers and continues to play an important role on the global stage. Germany remains one of the world's largest economies and one of Europe's most important industrial countries. Its strength is not based on a single resource or one dominant industry. Instead, it is built on a vast network of companies producing machinery, components, chemicals, software, medical technologies, industrial systems, and finished goods. Thousands of businesses are connected through complex supply chains, allowing different industries to support one another. One of Germany's greatest advantages is its engineering culture. For generations, German engineers have placed enormous importance on precision, reliability, and technical quality. When a complex system is created, the goal is not simply to make it work. Engineers also consider how long it will last, how safely it will operate, how it can be maintained, and how it will perform under difficult conditions. The automotive industry is the most famous example of Germany's industrial strength. German cars are known around the world, but the industry itself is much larger than the brands most people recognize. Behind every finished vehicle is a huge network of engineers, factories, suppliers, researchers, software developers, and specialized manufacturers. The automotive industry has helped advance materials, electronics, manufacturing technologies, safety systems, and automation while supporting thousands of companies connected to the global automotive market. But Germany's industrial power does not end with automobiles. The country is also one of the world's leading producers of industrial equipment, precision tools, manufacturing systems, and advanced technologies. German companies create machines and specialized systems that other manufacturers use to produce electronics, medical devices, vehicles, and countless other goods. This gives Germany an important position in global manufacturing. Its influence is often found not only in the final product, but also in the technology and equipment used to create it. The chemical industry is another important foundation of the German economy. The country has a long history of chemical research and remains one of the world's leading centers of advanced chemical production. Chemical technologies are used in medicines, plastics, electronics, industrial materials, agriculture, energy, and many other industries. Modern products often depend on materials capable of withstanding high temperatures, pressure, exposure to chemicals, and other demanding conditions. Germany's scientific system supports these industries through universities, research institutions, laboratories, and private companies. Scientists create new knowledge, universities train specialists, and businesses attempt to turn discoveries into practical technologies and products. This process can take years, but the close connection between research and industry allows scientific ideas to eventually influence the economy and everyday life. Education is another important part of this system. Studying at many public universities in Germany can be relatively affordable compared with countries such as the United States or the United Kingdom. However, student life is not inexpensive. Students still have to pay for food, transportation, health insurance, textbooks, and other expenses. Housing has become one of the biggest problems. Major German cities are facing a serious housing crisis, with demand far exceeding the affordable accommodation. For students, finding a room or apartment can be extremely difficult, and many spend months searching. Germany also offers a strong alternative to the traditional university path. A person does not necessarily need a university degree to build a successful career. The vocational education system combines classroom learning with practical experience, allowing students to develop professional skills while becoming familiar with the real working environment. This is especially important for an economy that depends heavily on manufacturing, engineering, technology, and specialized technical professions. German medicine demonstrates the same combination of science, education, and technology. The country has major university hospitals, research centers, pharmaceutical companies, and manufacturers of modern medical equipment. Doctors can treat patients while also participating in research and the development of new treatments. Scientists study new methods of diagnosis and therapy, while engineers create technologies that help medical professionals work with greater precision. An idea can begin in a laboratory, develop through research, tested in a hospital, and eventually become a technology used in other countries. This connection between research and practical application allows German discoveries and technologies to reach far beyond the country's borders. It also shows how universities, laboratories, hospitals, and companies can work together to turn scientific knowledge into real-world results. Germany's influence can also be seen in the way its different industries support one another. Engineers, scientists, manufacturers, software developers, and skilled workers often contribute to the same larger system. A new scientific discovery can lead to a new material, which can then be used by engineers to create better equipment or products. This connection between different fields is one of the reasons Germany has been able to remain an important industrial and technological power for so long. Another important part of Germany's strength is its ability to plan and build systems that are designed to work for many years. Whether it is a factory, a research institution, a training program, or a piece of industrial equipment, the focus is often on creating something reliable and useful over the long term. This approach can sometimes make progress slower, but it also helps create systems that remain valuable for decades. Of course, Germany faces serious economic problems. Traditional industries are under strong pressure, particularly because of high energy costs, which have made production more expensive and reduced the competitiveness of some companies. At the same time, the country is facing a growing shortage of skilled workers. Many businesses struggle to find enough qualified specialists. Germany also needs to adapt to new technologies, while its infrastructure requires significant investment, and companies face growing competition from other industrial powers. Bureaucracy can slow innovation, and the industrial model that brought the country success for decades is being forced to change. For generations, Germany has built a system capable of turning knowledge into technology and technology into real-world results. The country is not perfect, but its ability to transform knowledge, discipline, and technical expertise into long-term economic and technological influence remains one of its greatest strengths.